This is the easiest way to make AI song covers. First, go to the YouTube.
In the name of the song that you want to make a cover of. Copy the link of the video, and then type up musicfi.lol. Click on Try Now and it will take you to the creation page. On the Artist Vocals tab, you can use uncopyrighted voices for your songs. Head over to the Parody Vocals tab and paste your YouTube link in here. Click on Search and it will make a file from the link. Now the file has been uploaded. Tick the Remove Instrumental box. In the Select an Artist tab, you can select the voice you want to use. I'm going to go with Homer Simpson. Now click Remix and the song will start being made. You can click Combined to hear the vocals and instrumental together.
Baby, I with you, but see way up.
You can click Vocals to just hear the vocals.
The cross, listening to our favorite song. When you said
You can click Instrumental to just hear the instrumental.